Zipper, 30 centimeters, 1181 inches. 1 zipper slider. Plain fabric, 3 centimeters x 95 centimeters. Clear plastic, 24 centimeters x 28 centimeters. Fabric, 28 centimeters x 45 centimeters, 11.02 inches x 17.72 inches. Waterproof lining. On the 28 centimeters, 11.2 inches side of the clear plastic, apply double-sided tape. On the same side, but on the opposite edge, also apply double-sided tape. Place the 3 centimeters x 95 centimeters, 1.18 inches x 37.40 inches, fabric as binding on the clear plastic. Align the zipper with the side of the clear plastic where the 3 centimeters, 1.18 inches fabric was attached. Align the front of the 28 centimeters x 45 centimeters, 11.02 inches x 17.72 inches, fabric with the front of the zipper. Sew the 28 centimeters, 11.2 inches, side to the zipper. Place the front of the lining right sides together with the front of the fabric. Align the two 28 centimeters, 11.22 inches, sides and sew. Turn the lining right side out and top stitch the seam. Insert the zipper slider. Fold the fabric and the lining together, aligning the 28 centimeters, 11.02 inches side with the 28 centimeters, 11.02 inches side. Sew the two longer sides. Finally, sew the 28 centimeters, 11.02 inches side where the three materials meet. Trim the excess. Round the two corners where the three materials meet using a measurement of your choice. On the 3 centimeters x 95 centimeters, 1.18 inches x 37.40 inches fabric, align the end of the fabric with the initial fold of the piece. Sew the fabric along the piece, aligning edge to edge. Turn the fabric to finish the seam. Sew the fabric binding. Trim the excess. Seal all seams.